Welcome to my first video on the channel. So, just by seeing the video, you can have a pretty good idea of what I will be going to show in my very first video. So, as you can see, this yellow painted machines. So, as we all know, and we have a very good rumor or mindset that every yellow machine on this earth is a JCB. So, in actual, it's not like that. So, I would like to give you a clear explanation on this regarding what is JCB and what is every yellow colored machine. So, friends, as you can see, this machine is a pretty known machine. So let me just zoom into this. So yes, friends, so this one is a machine which is particularly painted in yellow. Okay, so I will tell you why these machines are painted in yellow. So these machines are often referred to as heavy machineries or earth moving machineries. So because these machines work over the heavy terrain on the earth, so that's why by legalities they have decided to paint these machines in yellow so that over a greater distance anyone can spot these machines very easily. So in all over the world, preferably you will find this machine in a fluorescent color like yellow, pale yellow, orange color, or teal color, turquoise color, and like so on. So particularly this model from a JCB company is known as the backhoe loader. As you can see, I will give you a walk around of this backhoe loader. Friends, this one is a toy model. So this is not the actual machine, but it's just a scaled replica model of the actual machine. So to give you a better clarity of the machine, I have arranged this toy model. Actually, just now it won't be possible for me to go out and have a look of the actual working machine on the side, so that's why I've arranged for this toy model. So just before getting into the machines deeply, I would like to clarify what JCB is. So JCB is a Britain based company, specifically in England. So this company was founded by the owner Joseph Cyril Bamford in 1945, and this is how the company is named. So it is a British based company, and it is
selling
over their equipments in more than 186 countries. So how it is? So this particular model from JCB is known as a backhoe loader, and the significance behind is that you can see their equipment in the back as well and in the front as well. In the front it is known as front end shovel, and in the back it is known as, it is sort of a excavator in the back. So this machine is of great importance while carrying any work in the construction site. And so if you can see, I will tell you the mobility of this machine. So like I was saying, so this rear excavator can travel almost a meter distance of 2 meters from this side to this side. So this gives a option of greater mobility to the machine while working. This one is known as boom. This is known as dipper. This is known as dig bucket. Now moving to the front end of the machine. This feature is known as the front end shovel. Here you can find the stairs which are used to climb to the cabin. Now going to the left side of the machine. Here you hydraulic oil tank, and on the other side is the diesel tank. So friends, this was about the backhoe loader from the JCB. In my more upcoming videos you will find the successive models of from this company. So I would like to know more from you that what you would like to know particularly on these machines, so that I will be able to explain those in my video. Signing off from this video. Stay home, stay safe in the amidst of this pandemic. Thank you guys. Bye.